So recently I've had a problem painting with reds. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been painting this self-portrait. It's the 10th self-portrait in a row, and I destroyed all the other 9 simply because they weren't working for me. Got to this way of painting and I really like this sort of unfinished background and then the detail and things on top. Looking at it now though, I mean I like it, and it's not like this. I'm not being critical about it. I'm being critical about it, but it's fine. But the reds don't really sing for me. You know, I use a limited palette and 5 colours, and the red that I use is Venetian red. So I want to make sure that that red really is quite vibrant. So I had to think, and this is what I've done. So this here is a painting of my friend Di, and what I've done is I've used the raw umber underneath because I really like that, and then I've put black over it. The black really helps the Venetian red, you can see there, to sing, to be a bit more vibrant. It's the sort of butty sentence, isn't it? But it's the blueiness in the black that kind of contrasts with the red and it makes it sing. I really like this. This is my new way of painting. So it's quite exciting because those 9 self-portraits that I abandoned have led me in a direction that means that this is the way that I now paint for the foreseeable future. I feel that it's on a background that's going to help me make my painting sing. I'm deliberate the way I paint, but the blueiness of the black makes the red a lot more vibrant. So there we go. If you like this video, then why not subscribe? Go on, why not? And give it a like and whatnot, all that good stuff. Thanks guys, take care, have a great day, whatever you do today, make some art.